In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge running in background. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you find it, simply click on the icon to launch the browser. As Edge opens, you will see your homepage or the last page you visited. It's important to have the browser open to access the settings we need to adjust. This step sets the stage for all the changes we are about to make, so take a moment to ensure that Edge is fully loaded and ready for use. You will see the familiar layout with your bookmarks, search bar, and tabs. Next, click the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the Edge window. This menu is represented by three horizontal dots, often referred to as the More menu. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, select Settings. This is where we will find the controls necessary to manage how Edge operates in the background. Accessing the settings is a crucial step because it allows you to customize your experience within the browser. Once you click Settings, you will see various categories that help you manage your browser preferences. Now look for the section labeled System and Performance in the Settings menu. You may need to scroll down a bit to find it, but it should be on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on System and Performance will take you to a page where you can manage background processes and performance-related settings. This section is essential because it gives you control over how Microsoft Edge behaves when it is not actively being used. Ensuring you are in the right section will help streamline the upcoming adjustments. From there, you will need to locate the option that says Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. This option is typically found within the System and Performance section. You will notice a toggle switch next to this option. This feature allows certain extensions and applications to keep running even when the browser is closed. Disabling this is important if you want to free up system resources and prevent Edge from running unnecessarily in the background. Once you find this option, click the toggle switch to turn it off. When you do this, the switch should change from an active position to an inactive one, typically moving from blue to gray. This simple action ensures that no background processes will continue running after you close Edge. It's a quick change that can significantly improve your computer's overall performance. You might see a brief confirmation message or visual change indicating that the setting has been successfully updated. After that, you can close the Settings tab. Simply click the X in the upper right corner of the Settings window. This will take you back to your usual browsing experience. Closing the Settings window is also a good practice to ensure that you are back in your primary workflow. You will notice that Edge feels more responsive now that you have made these changes. This little action helps keep your workspace tidy and allows you to focus on what you need to do. Finally, remember to restart Microsoft Edge to apply the changes effectively. You can do this by closing the browser completely and then reopening it. Once Edge restarts, it will run according to the new settings you've just configured. This final step ensures that the changes take effect and that you can enjoy a smoother browsing experience without unnecessary background activity. You should feel confident that you have successfully optimized Microsoft Edge for better performance. Thank you for following along and enjoy your improved Edge experience.